Beautiful one bedroom in Briarwood. This is entrance. This is the living room, a large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling, lots of light in the day. Beautiful kitchen, a lot of cabinets, a lot of corner space. And that's the exhaust on the top. More cabinets. Another double door closet here. This is the bedroom, a large bedroom, can fit a king size or queen size bed with a dresser. And it comes with a double door closet here, 2 windows. This is the linen closet. Bathroom all renovated, very clean, beautiful tiles. Beautiful apartment, elevator building, launch in the building, near banks, restaurant, grocery shops. A few blocks from the express train. The apartment is very good price, gonna go very quick. If you want to view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.